Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. PayPal business account has become a must if you are doing a business. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up your PayPal business account super fast. First of all, open PayPal's website, then click on sign up. Now select the business account and click on next. PayPal will perform a security check. Now enter the email address that you will use to log in and remember it for the future. Submit it. Create a strong password. Then describe your business, whether it's an individual, sole trader, partnership, corporation, etc. Select your product or services. Select its purpose code. Enter your personal PAN number. Enter the name that you want to appear on your credit or debit card statements. If you have a website, enter your website name, then click on submit. Now you need to fill in your name, legal last name, nationality, date of birth, primary contact address, primary contact number and your primary currency. Just tick the checkbox, then click agree and continue. Then you will land on this home page of PayPal, which means that your PayPal business account is created. Here you can see various options like money in, money out and your PayPal balance. You will not stop here because you are not fully set up yet. Go to account settings here, then select money, banks and cards. You will now link your bank account to your PayPal account. You need to enter the details of your bank account and link your bank account. Similarly, link your credit and debit cards. Then select your preferred currency. You can add more than one currency. Then go here and click on send payments. You can send payments to anyone by entering their name, username, email or mobile number. You will now enter the desired amount, its purpose and click on next. Here it is prompting to link your bank account or credit or debit card because you have not set it up yet. Similarly, you can request payments from your customers once your bank account, credit or debit card is linked. In this way, you can easily set up your PayPal business account and start sending and receiving payments. You must note that here the PayPal's features, requirements and interface may vary somewhat from country to country. If you liked our video, you may subscribe our channel and keep watching further videos. Goodbye and thank you.